Welcome to Emerald's Beauty Supply, where me, the owner, I'm Key. I provide luxury braiding services and I bring it straight to your home. You don't have to leave your home. I'm going to come to you and I'm going to get you right. Follow my YouTube channel. I'm about to start uploading videos showing you exactly how I execute these styles. Stay tuned today and watch how I execute a set of large knotless box braids, mid-back length. Look at her. She was checking to see how much she had left. She was ready to get up. And I'm so silly. So first, I'm going to show you how I blow dry her hair. So first, I spray a little bit of leave-in conditioner in her hair, and I separate her hair into 6 sections. So I part down straight down the middle, and then we part from starting at the back of the ear up until the center of the head, and then I go from right there at the top of the ear going back to the center, to the middle part, and then of course then that leaves me with just the back, and then I do the same thing on the left side. So this is what you're seeing me do now, is I'm actually pre-parting the other side, and what this does is this allows me to have control of all of her hair as I blow dry it and I detangle it. I start at the ends of her hair and work my way down to the roots so that her hair can be fully detangled, so that way when I begin to blow dry, I'm going to blow dry the same way, but her hair is already detangled. So when I start blow drying, I start blow drying at her ends, as you can see. And baby, I can use a comb, I can use a brush, it does not matter. I can get the job done when it comes to blow drying, okay? If I didn't do nothing else in cosmetology school, oh baby, they make sure we blow dry somehow, okay? The girls just come in with hair down to their tail, okay? All natural. And we would have to blow that thing out. So blowing out is nothing. I just take a comb. Like I said, I start at the ends of her hair and I work my way down to the roots. And by the time I get down to her roots, baby, I have that. This is what we mean when we say come blue down. This is what we mean. But I'm really considering adding on shampoo services to all of my services because I actually enjoy this process. It does not bother me. It makes sure that I have a clean, something clean. I mean, the head is clean for me to do the hair on. That's what I'm trying to say, Jam. I ain't deleting it. But anyways, we're going to keep on going on with this here, right here, what we doing. So, yes, I'll get her hair all blown out, and she's ready. And we're going to get ready to go ahead and pre-part her next. So, when it comes down to large knotless box braids, it is in total, depending on how you count them, it is 8 rows. But if you consider them being split in half, you have 4 rows on each side. So, I part you down the middle. First, we're gonna get that middle part straight. Sorry, I don't know what was going on there, but whatever, we're gonna keep going with this here, okay? Because that's what we're gonna do. But anyways, so I part you straight down the middle, and then I part like I just parted. I part your hair from the ear up to the center, and then I go and do the same thing in the back. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go ahead and start parting because I'm used to doing this. So I'm going to part that front side into 4 sections. First, I split it in half, and then I split that in half, and boom, I got 4 sections. Now, I wish I would have had my camera over there while I was actually showing y'all exactly what I was doing. But the next time I do a set, I'll make sure that I actually get that so I can show y'all exactly what I mean right there. But it's not hard. Once you bust it down the middle, you're going to split that side right there, bust that down into 4. And then what I do is I just take my comb and I line it up with each of those sections right there in this second section. So this is where you're going to come down parting, and you're going to meet at that back. And then I just go to the other side. You're going to be able to see it a little bit more on this side where I split it from ear to ear, but you're going to see my back. You see I'm on everything. Follow me, Emerald's Beauty Supply. I keep me a shirt on, you know what I'm saying, representing myself. Make sure you follow me and subscribe. I'm on TikTok. I'm on YouTube. Okay, I'm on Instagram and I'm on Facebook. Make sure you follow your girl. Okay, so anyway, so back to this. So over here, I already got those parts laid out on the left side, right? So all that I gotta do really is just trace it to the other side. That's how easy pre-parting is. So what this is gonna allow me, so this is just a little messy pre-parting. This isn't the final part, but this allows me when I begin to braid to just go ahead and start braiding. All I have to do is take my jam across that, comb it a little bit, and take that comb and straighten up that part and get to going. And that's what I do, baby. That's it. It's that simple. So pre-parting allows you to go ahead and see where you are going. So as you can see, I do twists, I do braids, I do whatever in that moment I feel like doing the pre-part hair, okay? And I'm going to give you a little up close visual on it. Look, as you can see, everything is pre-parted. Got bust down the middle. We got everything separated. So I know sometimes I'll pre-part each individual braid and keep going. I don't know what I was doing right there. But anyways, we're going to keep going with the flow. So as you can see, you see me straightening up those parts. See, I told you. That's what we're going to do. So this is large. So it's only 2 rows in the back. So that first row has 3 braids. So first, I'm going to put that middle one in there. Okay. We're gonna put that middle one in there. And what I do is I add hair on both sides once and then, well, 2 times. So 1 piece from the right side, 1 piece from the left side, 1 piece from the right side, 1 piece from the left side. And then after that, depending on what length they are getting or how thick their hair is or how thin their hair is, I just kind of have to get a feel for how that braid needs to be. And you'll be able to see because I do tuck that hair. So I want to make sure that hair is good and tucked. And what I do is I'll add 1 more piece. And then if they're getting it longer as I go down, I'll continue to add pieces. And these are large knotless. So after that first row, I did 3 on. I'm going to do 4 on the next row, but I'm gonna straighten that part up first. So that part should be right there at the top of that ear. So you just go on top of that ear and slice it across and boom to the other side. And we're gonna split this into 4. You got that part in the middle already there. You already set up. You don't gotta worry about what that middle part is. Only thing you gotta do is split it into 4s. Only thing you will do is on each side of that middle part, split it in half and boom, because it's already pre-parted. That is why pre-parting is so important. This is something that my teacher just like literally drills into our head. Pre-part, pre-part, pre-part. Shout out to her. She used to be Cosmo Diva on everything. I think now, I don't know what her name is now, but I'll be sure to link it in the caption for you. So anyway, so back to this. Let's get on over here. Back to talking about this right here. Because, yeah, hey. And I'm getting it. You just go up the head. And I do a brick lay method. That is why all of my braids get the same amount of rows and the same amount of braids. Only thing that changes my braids is the when I'm customizing it based on how thick or thin your hair is. I'm not going to add too much hair to your roots. I do not want your hair to break off. So I customize all of my braids. And if your hair is not that thick, I'm not going to put all the hair on there. And see, she has some thick hair. Okay, see how I pre-parted? See, I don't went through and I done pre-parted each individual braid. So now only thing I gotta do is part and braid, do it how I want to do. But you see that brick lay that I'm talking about is so pretty on Knotless Box Braids, or you can get curved parts. When I tell you, okay, so pretty. Ooh, it's so dang on pretty. And then this was the finished result. She has her large knotless box braids. Aren't they so cute? This is my girl. She is so funny. Love her. Oh my God, love her. Love her whole family. But yeah, this is Key. Book me. What's up?